Hi Diction Pros, it's Pelumi Adedoja. So I'm really excited to show you a particular sound I think people get wrong, but I'll put you through the process of getting that sound right such that you don't make the mistake again. Now the sound is this. Now this is one of the odd sounds you're not familiar with, especially if you're an African. You will most likely not be familiar with this sound, but you practice it over and over again, you'll get familiar with it and you will not make the mistake again. Now this sound, it can be found in a word like come. Some people, while trying to get this word right, pronounce it as come, while some people pronounce it as come. This sound is in between the ah sound and o, so it is come, ah, come, mother, wonder. Now do this exercise over and over again. Come, not come, not come. It is come. Now do this over and over again and you'll discover you'll be good at it. Don't give up on yourself. Don't say, oh, this is really hard. Please, you can do it. I really believe you can. So keep trying it and you'll be better. I believe that. Bye.